Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook with dry beans. You will learn the simple steps to transform these pantry staples into delicious meals. Preparing dry beans at home is incredibly cost-effective, often saving you money compared to canned varieties, and they are packed with nutrients. We will cover the essential soaking process, which is a crucial first step for many types of beans, making them more tender and easier to digest. For the overnight soak, simply place your dry beans in a large bowl, cover them with plenty of cold water, and let them rest on your counter for 8 to 12 hours or even longer. If you are short on time, the quick soak method is perfect. Bring your beans to a boil for 1 minute, remove them from the heat, and let them sit for 1 hour. Remember, always drain and rinse your beans thoroughly before the next step. After soaking, drain and rinse your beans, then transfer them to a large pot. Add fresh water or broth, making sure the liquid level is approximately 2 inches above the beans. Bring the pot to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. This slow cooking approach prevents the beans from breaking apart and helps them cook evenly until they are wonderfully tender. To infuse your beans with amazing flavor, consider adding a few simple aromatics to the cooking pot. Whole garlic cloves, a bay leaf, or even half an onion can make a big difference. Remember, hold off on adding salt until the last 20 to 30 minutes of cooking, as it can sometimes toughen the beans if added too early. Save any acidic ingredients for after the beans are completely tender.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.